Alright friends, today in this video we are diving into the simplest DIY hair growth serum I have ever delivered using 100% natural ingredients. Yes, almond oil is a part of the serum. But to discover others, stay tuned. And guess what? I have a special assistant today. Intrigued? Let's start with castor oil, a superstar for promoting hair growth and strengthening your locks. It also stimulates the growth of new hair in areas where it might be thinning. Now, for deep conditioning, preventing hair damage, fighting dandruff, preventing split ends, promoting hair growth, and whatnot with coconut oil. It's the versatile hero for your hair needs. Next is avocado oil. Its moisturizing properties help to soothe a dry, flaky scalp, and it also reduces dandruff. We will also use almond oil because it helps to strengthen hair strands and prevent breakage. In order to improve blood circulation to the scalp and stimulating hair follicles, we will be adding vitamin E oil in the serum. By this, we have collected all the ingredients. Now, it's the time to move further. Start by taking 1 tablespoon of almond oil. After this, add 1 tablespoon vitamin E oil. One tablespoon avocado oil. Now it's the time for coconut oil. Add the last ingredient, castor oil. Once all the oils are added, give the mixture a good stir. As the oils combine, they create a powerful fusion that promises stronger, shinier hair. Please try to store the serum in a glass bottle to preserve it well. And since we have used all these oils, the serum will naturally have a shelf life of 1 year. Friends, for best results, apply this serum at night 5 times a week and shampoo in the morning. Don't forget to shake the serum before each application. Look what we have here. Your hair serum is all set and ready. Now, allow me to introduce Millicent, my special assistant for today. Hey Millicent, why don't you say hi to my family? Thank you. We are here to guide you with the correct application technique. Start with shaking the serum. Take a small amount of the serum, then divide your hair into sections and apply directly to your scalp. Then gently massage the serum into your scalp with light circular motions. Feel inspired to create your own hair growth serum? Give it a try and come back to share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, please, and share this video with your friends who would love to discover DIY beauty secrets like this. Until next time, remember to take care of yourself and stay radiant.